Model Residential School Loktak Project ki Maheiroising Chara Helhanduna Thamlambagi WATHOK KHUDAKTA THIJANNABA Child Rights Commission YATHANG PIKHRE Churachandpur District ki Manung Chanba aduga Loktak Project manakta laiba Joykuluwang da laiba Eklavya Model Residential School ki nupi Maheiroising chak amasung breakfast ningthina pizza pithak tawramdabagi WATHOK lakli chahi nauriba nupi Maheiroising Chara Helhanduna Thamlambagi THODOK asi KHUDAKTA THIJANNABA Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki Chairperson Kaisham Pradeep Kumarna Churachandpur ki Deputy Commissioner amadi Manipur lenga ki Tribal Affairs and Hills ki Director da aiba cherol thaduna khanghankre Amaromda School Authority na Maheiroising ningthijana pija pithak tawdaba toina Chara Helhanduna thamlamli haiba WATHOK thorakpadagi school ki principal amadi warden school asidagi lokthokre Eklavya Model Residential School Joykuluwangi nupi Maheiroising ningthijana pizza pithak tawbidaba tangai fadana changdaba yadraba potlamsing fanghandabagi wakat lakpadagi mari leinaba authority na KHUDAKTA akhanaba miyeng changduna school gi principal amadi warden KHUDAKTA transfer tawnaba Manipur Society for Tribal Educational Institution gi nodal officer Dariel Julie Analna order thokre mafam thangdokraba principal adugi maming Vishnu Pratap Sukla aduga warden adugi maming na Kamai Niamthai kawi school gi principal adu haujimaki oina Manipur lenga ki Tribal Affairs and Hills Department ki makhada leiba Manipur Society of Tribal Educational Institution da KHUDAKTA gi attached tawraga leinaba khanghankre aduga warden Kamai Niamthai buna Eklavya Model Residential School Tamenglong da transfer thakre Marak asida social media da Maheiroising ningthijana pija pithak tawdabadagi pau viral orakpadagi Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki Chairperson Kaisham Pradeep Kumarna DC Churachandpur amadi Tribal Affairs and Hills ki Director da aiba cherol piduna thodogasi KHUDAKTA gi inquiry chathanaba khanghankre Commission na piba warol da residential school amada leiriba Maheiroising matam chana tangai fadaba potlamsing fanghan bagal loinana thaknaba afaba ising fangangedabani residential school asida leiriba Maheiroising matam chana thaknaba potlam fangan khidabagi ngarang third party amana thijangadabani mathau jackson daba mioising mathakta matik chaba thabak lokhatnabasu khangankre Eklavya Model Residential School asi Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs ki makhada lingkhatpa residential institution ni asigumba school la tamba Maheiroising lemna chana thaknaba potlam fanganbaga loinana magun leiba mahai masing tambibagi khudung chaba fangadaba school amani asigumba school asida tamliba Maheiroising ningthijana amadi matam chana pizza pithak tawbidre haiba wakat ama lakpadagi Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Right na KHUDAKTA inquiry chathanaba khangankre masiga loinana pung nifu-nipan gi manungda action taken report ama tharaknabasu khangankre Makhatana school asigi Maheiroising ningthijana school authority na pizza pithak tawbidre matam ayambada Chara Helhanduna thamle haibigi pau fangbadagi school ase tamliba Maheiroi kaya ngasidagi mama mapa singna lokthoknaba hokre asiguma Maheiroising ningthina mahai masing tamba fangjanaba thawrang ama paikhatnabasu Child Rights Commission na mari leinaba authority da khangankre